Meet Sarah, an e-commerce manager who needs to advertise thousands of products on social media. Sarah knows that creating personalized ad templates at scale, especially with large product portfolios, will help her make an impact. But coordinating between the product data team, marketing, and designers is a constant back-and-forth struggle for each and every ad. In comes the Dynamic Image Editor, your go-to tool for creating optimized, relevant, and on-brand product ads. It's easy. All you have to do is choose your image template for your product feeds. Add designs with the intuitive interface with a suite of tools to create distinct designs and layouts. Add static and dynamic values such as product info, flash sales, or special discounts. Easily switch between separate products to keep brand identity consistent across multiple channels. With the Dynamic Image Editor, you can benefit from not having to switch back and forth between various tools by using just one centralized workflow. Increase your ad performance with easily created product ads at scale. Save valuable time for everyone. The result? You'll be able to optimize data and images directly in Channable alongside the rest of your e-commerce activities. Check out the Dynamic Image Editor and request a demo at www.channable.com.